Hello, welcome to Chapter 7. This chapter we're going to be learning about sampling distributions. Uh, we ne- Before we start, we need to learn a little bit about populations versus samples. Now, if I wanted to take the mean of an entire population, say if I wanted to take the mean of everybody at Irondale High School, that would be a population mean. Say maybe we could find the mean of everybody at Irondale High School has a mean of, say, 68 inches. That's the mean height of everybody. Now, that's theoretical because we can't really find the height of everybody at Irondale. It would take a lot of effort. So what we would usually do is take a sample. I might take a sample of 30 people and their mean is 65.7 inches, something like that. So the sample mean is just from a small group. Similarly, we have the same things with proportions. The population proportion, P, sometimes people use the pi for this, but usually AP just uses P. So say the proportion of everybody in the United States that likes pizza is 72%. Now, if you wanted to just take a sample of 100 people out of the United States, that would be P hat. Maybe you do a sample of people in the United States and you found that 87% of your sample like that. That would be a P hat value. The distinction is pretty important as we move on. So this says a poll of 515 people decide whether they believe in ghosts. 160 people said yes. That's 160 out of 515. Is that a population proportion or a sample proportion? Hopefully you're saying that this is a sample proportion because it's just out of the 515 people. It's not out of a whole population. If we polled 515 people next time, will we get exactly 160 people say yes? Probably not. So uh, there's going to be some variability. Once, when you do a poll, the next poll might be slightly different than the original poll. That they call sampling variability, where each sample could be different from the previous example. Sampling variability tells us how much we can expect the points to be off from what the true value is of the proportion.